Hey there, today we're going to warp a text into a bottom arc style. Before release of version 2 of Affinity Designer, it was really a challenging task. You can still search for some old tutorials for version 1 here on YouTube, and people taking them like 15 minutes to do this simple task. But now, with this vector warp tool built into software, we can do it in just 1 minute. So let's take a look. Here's my text. I'm going to click on it and then use the vector warp. It's not on the tool panel on the left side, it's on the right side, just below your layer panel, next to layer effects. There's warp. We got several presets, but I go to use quad. Quad is the simple one. Quad, give me only 4 points at corners, that's perfect. I want to select bottom corners, both at the same time. I will move them down. Just like that. Now, at the center of this text, I will click on the line and pull it up. And that's it. We got very nice text with the bottom arc over here. If you want to be more precise, let me just undo what I just did. Alright, if you want to be more precise, you can first draw a shape like that. We don't need fill color, we just need some stroke color. Alright, let's make it fancy so you can easily spot it. Okay, let's say that will be my frame for this arc. So I draw the shape, convert to curve, and now I can easily snap to the center and pull it up like that. Okay, so now with this guidance, I back to my warp, my shape, and now I'm going to try to do it. All right, so now I'm going to pull this down as before and take a look. It's snapping to the shape right now. At first, when they released this tool, that was a missing, but they fixed that in version 2.1. And then you want a center here. And we just want to pull the line. Don't need to add a new point, actually. Just pull the line like this. And after that, I can delete this shape that I use as guidance. And that's it. Very quickly, we can warp this bottom part of the text to make the bottom arc like this. And the best part is it's still editable text. So if I want to change this, as a finishing touch, we can add this double stroke to it. Just keep in mind, we want to add it to the text, not on the warp group. Take a look on my layers. I got warp group and there's text inside. If I add my style to the warp group, take a look what will happen. So let's go with the outline. It's outlining only the original text, and the one I warp here is without outline, so that's not what I want. So let's close that. Click on the layer text itself, FX. We can go with the outline. So if I create 10 points outline and I make it white, I can easily click another outline by clicking this plus here. And now we got duplicate layer effect. That's also a new thing in version 2. So this way we can use the outline below. Make it even larger. And this way we can create a double outline very quickly as well. Alright, so take a look. We end up with this nice looking sport esport text. And it took us only what, 1 minute. We used the warp tool to make the bottom arc, and then we apply 2 outlines using layer styles very quickly. And as I mentioned, there are some old tutorials for version 1. They would take you like 15 minutes to finish this, but now with those new tools we can do it in just 1 minute. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you want to learn more about warping text, I just released a new class on Skillshare, so you can check it out. It's 48 minutes all about warping text around, matching with these shapes and stuff like that. So that's all about warp tool. All right, focus on one tool only. I will drop the link to this class in the description, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!